Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Usembut Menteri Rang Ba Kajala uba pet ya katana transport uba sniaw bhalang dhar ula ong baka Sorkar kadang examine ya ka Hukum Jaka Bishar Meghalaya High Court banwat ya ka Jaka na ka benta bente ya ka kat ling sun ka Thymmai ha ka jing ikram migla pathai khubor uba sniaw bhalang dhar ula pentim baka Sorkar kampat la ban shim ya ka rai la kan yai be khamat ban penhe ya ka kat ling sun ha umroi la ni kan wat Jaka shawai.
Is the matter is being under examined. We had a meeting this last week or so. It has been called by the Honorable Chief Minister, me, myself, CM and official. So we will take a call on that because High Court has said that we will see from the government because huge amount of money to be involved is not so easy for us. So we have the matter is still under examination. No, we are still identifying how I'll tell the cost as of now. The matter is still under examination. Whether we'll go ahead or whether we will expand the old one. That from the private party side, not with information to government. The question of accepting does not arise because we as a government we are still examining it. Whether we are yet to accept or whether we are not accept, we are still examining. No? To send some more consultant to go for this old one because the first survey is that they said that we need huge amount to modify the old one. So now we have to go for the fourth party again to resurvey the old one. That also is another option for the government. No, that we first have to appoint first consultant. No, one because first party said it involves a huge amount, so we cannot base only one party. No, so we have decided we will give another 2-3 party and we'll see different report yet because that's why first what we are trying to see how is this Umrah airport whether still will be able to enhance it or not. So after that we will take a call because presently as of now the existing flight that one only you know very well to examine that they had it together only. That also we are going to plan all this. You are right. So when I had call meeting day before yesterday also about this, I said, please check the account to be properly maintained. And there is a grant also we receive from time to time from the government. And there is a few generous collection from the ways from the household which within the municipal area. It's normally as it is as of now. Yes, of course, we have to support from the government. It's commission all this thing. No, actually, you see, it's a branch of the urban department. The question of independent does not arise because it has to work hand in hand with the directorate. No.